Alright, man. Welcome back to my YouTube. It's King Emo. You are now about to listen to an original audio horror story. If you had nightmares, you had been warned. We got about 7 levels of nightmare mode. We playing Jigsaw. We're gonna get straight into it. Alright. Gordon in the room. He said to Ellie, I'll see you by 6 o'clock. He said, I'ma take you out with your daughter. But they got away. Like they got out his way. Then Adam pulled up, shot Zep in the sewer. After video end, then John pulled up and shot Adam in the bathroom and walked out. Alright. Gonna keep the story going. We on part 2. Now we at John's house. He said to Matthew, this is what you call a horror game, like it's a board game. This my fantasy horror game. What a nightmare come to you, it might find you. Then Xavier pulled up and shot Joanne. He shot Edison, and now here go Danielle. She took out a knife and cut Xavier's throat. He fell to the floor. While this going on, the man's pig pulled up. She said, what's up, bitch? You know who this is? Yeah, it's Amanda. She shot Matthew and watched him slowly die. And with a smile, she said, and welcome to the board game. Alright. We on part 3. Going in nightmare mode. Amanda said to Dr. Lynn, you gon' keep John alive, and if you don't, you might not survive. Then Jeff pulled up and shot Amanda. Now she dead. Then John started talking. He said to Jeff, you can pull the plug and let me go, or call the ambulance and let me live. And Jeff said shit and took out a knife and cut John's throat, and this how John's story ends. But Jeff said the game just about to begin. Part 4. Nightmare mode level 2. While this going on, and Jeff pulled up to the crib where Rig at. Jeff said, you don't fucked up like you out of luck. They called me Jigsaw. He took your piss down and shot Rig, and then the body, your guy burned to death. And Jeff said, I'm still here, motherfucker. It's his game now. Alright, gonna keep it going. We on nightmare mode level 3, part 5. Now here go the man's pig. They back again. He took out a knife, stabbed Peter, and now he dead. Mark was watching this and can't believe what he seen. He pulled up your own Peter and dropped that metal box on his head. Mark said that bastard finally dead. Nightmare mode level 4, part 6. Hoffman was in the room like he was trapped. Tara had the gun to his face, but she shot William. He slid to the floor and died for being in the way. Hoffman said, this my game, bitch. You should have stayed away. He said, nightmare mode is here, like it's on its way. He said to Tara, get that shit out my face and walk away. And she did. gonna keep this story going. We on part 7, Nightmare Mode, level 5. The man's pig pulled up. You won't believe who it is. Dr. Gordon Hoffman looked like he ain't sure he was about to speak. Gordon walked up. Hoffman slapped him with the pistol, then took out his knife, stabbed him in the chest, then sliced his throat. Gordon started talking like, that be my bro, but that bitch think he bad. Now his body bleeding out on the floor. Gordon said, ain't this how your boy gang go? Part 8, Nightmare Mode level 6. While this going on, while this going on, the game still going. Logan looked there hollering, shot him in the chest. Then he started talking and said to a hollering bitch, we thought you won, we thought you survived. This how your story end. Hollering, you no longer live, and this how the story end.